Podcast discussion for August 21st, 2013 is currently 8:47 a.m. and we have some muggy conditions out there. We have temperatures in the lower to mid 70s right along the immediate coast and in the metro areas. Mid to upper 60s over the northern interior, even a few upper 50s to lower 60s over portions of northeastern Pennsylvania. I think you can pretty much see where the tropical air mass has really taken hold and where it has not. Dew points in northeastern Pennsylvania range from the mid to upper 50s. Along the coast, lower 70s. Well, upper 60s to lower 70s. So clearly we have a divide here between the tropical air mass and the slightly drier air mass that's in place over the region. Eventually, everyone's going to get into the hot and humid weather conditions for this afternoon. What can we expect? Well, hazy conditions once this fog lifts, and also hot and humid conditions with temperatures in the mid to upper 80s over the northern interior, upper 80s to lower 90s in the Philadelphia and New York City metropolitan area, especially much of New Jersey, except for the immediate coast. Those locations will range from the lower to mid 80s. Mid 80s more likely over coastal New Jersey, should I say, and lower to mid 80s on the south side of Long Island. As far as showers and thunderstorms, not all that impressed. I'm going to show you why in just a moment, but there will be an isolated shower or thunderstorm threat here. On the surface map, you can see pretty much high pressures in control for much of the eastern United States. You have this large tropical air mass in place throughout much of the eastern United States. You can pretty much see that dew points, the green color is basically above 60 degrees Fahrenheit in dew points. And when you start getting into the mid to upper 60s and lower 70s and these yellow areas in mid 70s, that's when you have a very tropical air mass. Now, the northern interior here, right over portions of central and northern Pennsylvania back through central New York, this is pretty much protected because of the Appalachian Mountains, and you got some interior valleys. That's why you have this funnel of drier air here. But otherwise, the rest of the eastern United States is clearly under the control of our Bermuda High pattern. But relief is on the way with a rather impressive cold front, and that will make its way through by Friday morning. On the radar, you can see pretty much we're high and dry here. We do have a few isolated showers in the Ohio River Valley and over the southern Mid-Atlantic and southeast. These showers will not reach the northern Mid-Atlantic, but there is a potential for a pop-up shower or thunderstorm here or there, especially over the interior and right along the Delaware River. Otherwise, expect dry conditions, humid but dry. Now on the infrared satellite picture, you can see high pressure is clearly in control. You can see a bit of a divide in the air masses here. Here's the divide between the tropical air mass that's in place and the maritime air mass that's over the Canadian maritime, should I say. Then we have another boundary here between the tropical air mass that's over us and the very tropical, very humid air mass that's over portions of the Gulf Coast. And then finally, we have a separation between our polar air mass that will invade for this weekend and the air mass that's over us. So we're kind of in this pocket of a unique air mass with high levels of humidity, temperatures above normal, but this isn't heat wave potential here. We're talking about 89, 90 degrees. It's not going to be 3 days worth of these temperatures either. 1 or 2 days and then that's it. And then after that, back down into the lower to mid 80s. Now, why aren't there any thunderstorm potential for today? Well, the reason why is because of the way that the 500 millibar pattern is set up. You have winds coming down from the northwest over portions of New England and from the southwest and the west over the southern Mid-Atlantic, and all of that is converging. You see that red right there? That basically is sinking air, which helps enhance this high pressure system right here and suppresses a potential for showers and thunderstorms. This high pressure system will continue to shift off the coast, and then this disturbance and this cold front will start to interact and intensify and drive through the Philadelphia and New York City metropolitan areas for tomorrow with widespread showers and thunderstorms. Now, I'm not all that impressed with the thunderstorm potential here, especially the severe thunderstorm potential, but you can't rule out a few isolated severe thunderstorms for tomorrow evening, and that cold front will linger on through late Friday morning into early Friday afternoon before we start to clear out, and this nice, comfortable polar air mass starts to take hold just in time for you to get out of work with falling humidity and temperatures falling back through the 80s and into the 70s by Friday evening, making for a very pleasant Friday evening and nice way to start off the new weekend. So here is the latest model guidance from the Penn State UWall website. Again, for this evening, we got this high pressure ridge over the immediate coast. You can see that trough and that upper level disturbance over the Ohio River Valley. Again, we could see an isolated shower or thunderstorm, but nothing widespread or significant in nature. Tomorrow, that cold front starts to drive through. The upper level disturbance over the Ohio River Valley and this trough basically merge into one large scale trough over portions of eastern Canada. Now notice I say eastern Canada. I think the best dynamics will be focused to the north of New York City, and thus the best potential for severe thunderstorms. But we'll still be dealing with showers and thunderstorms through Thursday afternoon into the evening hours and lingering on into Friday morning. By the time we get to Friday evening, high pressure will start to build into the Philadelphia and New York City metropolitan area. So Friday morning and Friday afternoon, still a bit dicey with scattered showers and thunderstorms. Again, not a complete washout, but certainly a threat here and there with these showers and thunderstorms. And these thunderstorms are going to be capable of producing very heavy downpours, frequent lightning, wind gusts over 50 miles per hour, and possibly even some small hail. So once this all clears out by Friday evening, this high pressure system takes hold, humidity crashes, temperatures fall through the 70s, and a very pleasant evening can be expected. So, okay, so you're at work and there's a few showers, and then you leave work and it clears out. Not too bad. Now for the weekend, well, it's going to be absolutely beautiful. High pressure is going to be in control for Saturday, Sunday, and Monday with tranquil weather conditions, light winds, low humidity, temperatures in the lower to mid 80s for highs, low temperatures in the upper 50s to lower 60s along the coast, mid to upper 50s over the interior. Overall, a very pleasant weekend is going to be on the way. And then another cold front moves through for Tuesday with scattered showers and a few isolated thunderstorms, and temperatures remaining in the lower to mid 80s. So that is your forecast for today. Of course, I'm your meteorologist, Stephen D. Martino. Follow the latest weather information at nynjpaweather.com and nynjpaweather on Twitter and Facebook. Have a wonderful day. Stay safe out there.